I move that Conference Committee report for Senate Committee Substitute for House Committee Substitute for House Bill 2007 be adopted.
The gentleman from St. Louis County has moved that Conference Committee report for Senate Committee Substitute for House Committee Substitute for House Bill 2007 be adopted. Gentleman from St. Louis County.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. House Bill 2007 deals with the Departments of Economic Development, Insurance, Financial Institutions, and Professional Registration, and the Department of Labor and Industrial Relations. And I work from the back down. In Doler, the major decision items include Second Energy Fund payments of $42 million, Workforce Compensation Computer Modernization Project of $5.1 million, in insurance, slight increase to implement Senate Bill 262. And the major changes, of course, the major decision items are in the Department of Economic Development. We had a $5 million increase in GR to MTC, an $8.5 million GR increase to Tourism Division, $4.5 million GR increase for early stage business grants, a $1 million increase in GR to the Arts Council, $1.4 million GR increase and 25 FTE increase, fund switch from the Economic Development Advancement Fund, EDAF, and a $900,000 GR increase for the customized training program. That basically covers some of the major decision items. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Other than that, Madam Speaker, I renew my motion.
The Budget Chairman said there's very little general revenue in this bill, but the programs are well organized and well presented. We did well in conference. One small item that I wish were in there, and I'm sure the chairman does, is the lady from St. Louis, Carla May District, put in a summer program for kids, disadvantaged kids that didn't make it, and I hope that people take that seriously next year. But in general, I'm delighted to support the gentleman's motion. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Hey, so on the Doler part of the bill, we're back to funding Second Injury Fund, looks like, and any FTEs cut over there at Doler?
Not to my knowledge. FTEs cut in Doler? Doler. He's checking.
Take your time.
Gentleman from Cole. That is the second time you've crossed this line of debate. Proceed, gentlemen.
Well, we actually weren't talking, so maybe he thought he could escape.
Waiting on staff, which happens from time to time.
Okay. There was actually an increase in Doler of 3 FTE for a computer modernization program.
Is that throughout the department over there, or is that where would that be? Particular division?
It's only related to the computer modernization, the computer division itself, the IT division. It's okay. It's not an increase. It's for the whole department, but it's just in that division.
Okay. All right. Very good. And Second Energy Fund. What was the number again? It
was a $42 million increase in the payments for the Second Energy Fund. Just the payments, $42 million.
Very good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Not so much of an inquiry as I've already thanked you privately, but I'd like to thank you publicly as well as the members of the committee that kept the tourism money up at 8.5, and we appreciate that greatly. And we appreciate the fact that you recognize the importance of the tourism industry in our state and upheld that, and thank you for that.
Thank you, gentlemen.
All those in favor will vote yes. All those opposed will vote no. Mr. Clerk, please ring the bell and open the board. By your vote of 141 yes and 11 no, you have third read and passed Conference Committee Substitute for Senate Committee Substitute for House Committee Substitute for House Bill 2007. Gentleman from Cass.